Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to remove blank records. Okay, what I have here is the products, customer and the respective sales. Okay, I have here about 25 records of products. Okay, so you can see here in the sales column I have the sales values here, but the record 5 and 7 we don't have a sales. Okay, so this one I want to remove it. Those blank records I want to remove it. How can I do that? Okay, what I need to do is that I go to the header columns, then go to data, then filter. Okay, once I press filter, it is putting the filter icon here and showing that there is a filter is added to every column here. Okay, so if you go to the sales column, click on the filter, you can see it selected all the values including the blank values here. Okay, so what I am doing here is that I take out select all. Okay, go to the blanks and I will select only the blank values. Okay, once I press blank values, press OK. What happens is that this filter selects only the blank cells and showing those records. These two records are 5 and 7. Okay, now what I need to do is I select these records. Okay, just you can go here in the leftmost cell, cell names there 5 and 7. Just click on 5 and just drag and select. Okay, so once I selected, then I can go here in the cell values, right click and go to the delete row. Okay, so if I press delete, what happens is these two rows are deleted. Okay, but it is not showing any rows because it is we selected only the blank records, which is deleted now. Okay, now go to the filter again, the sales filter, go here and select all and press OK. Now it is showing all the records without the blank records, because the blank records we selected. Now we have about 23 records. Previously we had 25 records and now we got 23 records. Okay, so this way you want to remove the filter, you can go to the data again and deselect the filter. That's all. Okay, so you can see here your blank record is gone. It not necessary for the sales, it could be customer also. If you have a blank, you can do the same thing. Go here and put the filter and select the blank records in the customer filter. Okay, select, deselect and select the records in the customer, blank records in this customer filter. You show the customer filter blank records. You want to delete that one, just select and right click, delete row. Okay, once you deleted, go to the same filter again and select all values. Now you can see these two records also deleted the blank records, blank customer records, and you can see again the number of records is 21 only. Okay, so previously we had totally 25 records. 2 records the blank sale value records are deleted, and 2 more records of the customers deleted, blank customer values deleted. Okay, so we have only 21 records. Now you can just go and take out the filter. Now you can see the blank records are deleted. This way you can use the filter to delete the blank records. Hope my video is helpful to you. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.